how to create an entry in CustomTkinter. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel John here. So today we're going to learn how we can create an entry in CustomTkinter. See, CustomTkinter, it provides a CTkEntry widget which allow us to create a modern and customizable input fields in CustomTkinter. Okay, so in this tutorial we are going to learn how we can do that. So in order for us to do that, we just need to do the following. I'm going to come here, okay, on the top of this button. I just can do something like this. Going down, give a space. Then I'm going to comment something like this, okay? Creating entry. Perfect. Let me take it a little up. So in order for us to create an entry, we can do something like this, okay? I'm going to create a variable first, self. I just call it entry self. Self entry will be equal, as always, you can give any name that you wish. Equal ctk dot. So the one that provides us the entry fields is called CTkEntry. So okay, CTkEntry. Then we need to open and close. Then let's give us self and comma. So this way we just create an entry in CustomTkinter. So if I save this, okay. So now let me place this thing. So in order for me to place this, I just need to do something like self dot entry, okay, dot, I'm gonna use place. Okay, I'm just going to open and close. Then I will see for x I want it on 10, but for y I want it on, let's say, at least 50. Okay, no, 50 it's a lot. Let's say 30. No, okay, let's give 50 itself. Okay, let's say 50. Open and close. Perfect. Save. Now, if I run this code, let's give attention. If I run this, as you can see, we got any error. Okay, so when you create a cell, it's very important for you to give it at least one attribute. So the only attribute that we just need to give, it can be this one. See, I'm going to give a placeholder. So I'm just going to set this placeholder. Okay, placeholder this way, underscore test. Okay, so this will be equal. Oh, sorry. This will be equal, open and close. Then let's say something, okay, type something, type something, oh, something, open and close. Perfect. So let's try to run this again. So it gives us error. So this error is coming because, see, when we give here CTk, this last k is supposed to be small, not capital K. This was my mistake, so I'm going to remove it. Then I'm going to give a small. Then let me say this. And now if I run this code, let me see. Boom, as you can see, now it is run, okay? But this is the one, the field, okay? So we can type anything here. Okay, now it's work, but let's organize this a little bit. Okay, so let's keep this guy a bit down and the button, let's take it in. So in order for us to do that, let me go this and just let me play with those ones. First, let's decrease the height of this one. Okay, at least 40. It will be enough. Okay, let's give it 40. Perfect. And for x and y, I just keep it. Is keep 50 itself. And then is the button itself. Okay, 100. I think now it's enough. So if I run this code again, okay, this is the label, and this is type something, and this is for perform action. Perfect. So the same way that we did with our button and with our label, we can also customize our entry, like by giving width, by giving height, and a lot of stuff we can do also inside of our entry. Okay, first, if I just copy all of these properties that we have here, okay, I think I can say up to it. Let me copy this. What I did, I'm just going to copy this on this button. Copy. I'm coming to my entry. Okay, let me give a comma, give enter, let me paste. Okay, if I save this, now just let me run the code, okay, to see the result. If I run this, boom, as you can see, oh my god, it became too small. Yeah, but let me give a little bit more of width. At least 200 will be enough. 200, and this corners range a lot. Let me give it a 8. So if I save this, let me run. Okay, perfect. So this is how you can customize your entry. So you can give a lot of things that you wish, okay? But let me put it a little down more, 60 at least. Save. If I run this. Okay, perfect. So this is how you can customize your entry, okay? Even the height is too small, it is 20. Save. Let me run now. Perfect. So there are a lot of stuff that also we can do. For example, if you want to get the information that will be entered inside of our entry field, we can do something like this. We can just reuse the same thing that we did before with the bottom, which is this one. Okay, so it's like instead of it just give a permanent test like this, we can do something like this. Okay, I'm going to create a variable called like test test. Okay, test from input. Okay, test underscore from underscore input. Okay, this test underscore from input will be equal. Okay, so in order for us to get the information that is entered in our entry field, we can do something like this. Self dot what? I'm going to call the name of my entry dot. I'm going to use this guy. Okay, get. Okay, get open and close. So this way it will get the information that will enter in our input. Or here I made a mistake, it's not sleeve, but see self this way. Okay. Oh, I could do that. Perfect. Self. So now I just can take this guy here. Okay. No, I just can remove this guy. Instead of that, I'm going to give like test. Okay. Test from input. Save. Now if I run this code, as you can see, okay, if I click in my button, nothing is there because I didn't enter anything yet. But if I enter something here, let's say, hello, I am Joao. Okay, if I click here, boom, as you can see, hello, I am Joao. Okay, but for example, if we want, for example, when we write something, then we want to delete after we perform the action, we can do something also like this. See, after this, okay, I can just come here. I can clear my inputs field. In order for me to clear my input field, I just need to do something like this. Self dot entry dot delete. This way here dot delete. Okay. Then I'm just going to open and close. So where I want to delete, I want to delete from the position number 0, comma, up to end of the field. Okay, save. Now, if I run this again, let me run this. For example, if I say again, hello, my name is Joao. Okay. Now, if I click this, boom, as you can see, it got the name, then it clicked it. So now I can enter the information. Nice to meet you. Okay. If I click, boom, it just changed again. So this is how you can create an enter field, get the input or the information that will be entered in the input field, and also deletes, okay, for a better form. So guys, we'll stay here. If you like the video, you know what to do. Give a like, comment if you have any doubt, and I will try to help you. My name is Rob. See you in the next video. Bye.